Hey everybody, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Paul. Welcome to another version of Tech Talk.
Brought to you by the Kentuckiana TRC.
Mr. Witt.
Hey man, what's up?
Hey, first of all, I want to say thank you for sending me that ACD file for the demo I was working on last week.
Well, you expect the PLC guy to have some ACD files laying around.
And I appreciate that.
Yeah, my pleasure.
But the version you sent me is not version 33. And
It's probably version 18 if memory serves me right, but why does that matter?
because I don't have version 18 installed on my laptop, so I can't open them.
Okay, again, you got version 33. Why is it? I'm confused.
Well, don't I need to install? I always had to install the version of the file that you gave me if I wanted to open it up, right?
I see where you're at.
So
You're
I need to install it.
You're kicking it old school.
What
What you
Look
need
at
to
the
do,
hair, Jeremy.
yeah.
The lack thereof. It is old.
What you need to do is use the new free tool from Rockwell Automation called FactoryTalk Design Hub.
It's a free tool.
Free tool, cloud-based. Don't even have to install anything.
You're going to have to show me this.
I will show you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to check it out.
To the internet.
To the interwebs.
Okay, Paul. So here's the FactoryTalk Design Hub. We've already logged in. I had you log in as Paul Thompson.
Sure. Since my project, I'm trying to get converted anyway. Right?
Exactly. And it's just your knowledge base login.
Gotcha.
So your Rockwell login. So it wasn't anything special. So you've not did any kind of project. So we'll just come up here and hit Add Project. And we'll give it a name. TechTalk seems appropriate. And for Paul, like that. And then we'll go to Browse. Here's the project we want to open. That's the one I sent you. I hit Open. Takes you just a minute. It opens the file up in the cloud. Continue, and now it's going to start processing it.
Gotcha. Okay. So it's basically uploading it now to the portal.
Yeah, it's uploading it and getting ready to, you could do an ACD or you could make a L5K project file out of it. So pretty much just uploading and processing it. So it took it to the cloud, and now it's getting ready to do all the conversion and the analytics that we'll look at.
Well, that's pretty fast.
Just a second, yeah. And it takes no time. It takes longer to close out all the X's than it does to get to where you can see stuff. So we can view analysis here, and we've got a drop down over here where we can also view analysis.
Okay.
So we'll just view the analysis. You see it brought all this up information. All we knew a minute ago was that you had an ACD file and the name of it.
Right.
Now we changed the name to this. We see what the controller name was. We know what the firmware revision, the type of controller, the bus available. I mean, if it had been a control logic or if it had expansion on it, it would have showed us all the expansion buttons
Gotcha.
built in there. All the task modules, program composition, routine summaries, objects. It kind of looks like the property tab of the controller inside of Studio 5000. But you're getting all this stuff without having Studio 5000 installed.
That's pretty neat. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
That's handy, right? But still doesn't, your problem's not fixed.
Yeah, no, that's great information, but I want to get it to version 33.
Okay, so we come right back here and hit our dots again, and we upgrade the project.
Okay.
So right there is version 18, L32E, and L32E will only go to version 20. I just know this because I know this.
Because you're the PLC guy.
Because I'm the PLC guy. Yeah, I like it. So you want it on version 33.
Correct.
So we can put it on version 33. There we go to version 33, and now the continue's broken.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah.
Because it converted it to an L33 to give us a note that the original controller was not supported.
Gotcha.
So it kicks it to the next one that we think needs to be the upgrade.
Okay.
And to get the continue back, you have to come over here and hit the checkbox. And that's kind of in there to make you see that stuff has changed versus when it was just going to 20, it would just roll on.
Sure, because of the different controller, right? I'm physically have to change hardware.
That's correct. Yep. So we hit continue, and then here's a couple of notes that we, just look at these, and then we can hit upgrade. And now projects are being upgraded.
So this is going through the whole.
Yeah.
It'll be from 18 to 33
From 18
and to a new
33.
controller. And I haven't touched Studio 5000.
You have not. You have not downloaded anything. So it's back to that intern kind of job, that easy peasy kind of stuff. This right here is what you want to go with. This will go all the way back to version 16 of Logic.
Oh, wow. So that should take care of a lot of customers now.
Yeah, all the things. So just
Zag on, that was fast.
we're quick. We didn't even play with time.
No. No, we didn't fast forward.
No magic happened right there.
Yeah.
So that's how to convert it with the FactoryTalk Design Hub.
So if I want to get it back down now, because it's up in the cloud, how do I bring that ACD file back to my laptop?
click on here and you download as ACD, L5K, or L5S.
Well, look at that. So you could, okay.
Yep.
So,
So it even has that mid-grade conversion utility if you needed to do that.
Oh, that's slick.
Yep.
Well, that's great, Jeremy.
Yeah, man. Pretty easy. Sorry I didn't tell you about it before you had this hiccup. You could have been done a week ago.
It's all right, man. It's good to know.
Easy peasy, right?
Jeremy, I'm glad you showed it to me. I would have never guessed that it would have been that simple and that fast, right? I mean, we installed it or uploaded that file, converted it faster than what it would take to download version 18.
Yeah.
Period.
If this was existed 20 years ago, I'd have a lot more hair.
Both would.
Yeah. Anyway, everybody, that's a new tool from Rockwell. If you've got a support contract, you've got access to it. So when the new intern starts, or the process guy needs to upgrade a file, then you can easy do that. They know how to use the cloud-based technology. No software installation required.
That's pretty slick system. So.
Good deal. Appreciate everybody watching today.
Thanks, everybody. See you next time.